Elevate student living at the Lookout Colorado Springs, your gateway to ultimate comfort living. Choose from lavish 1, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments, spacious en-suites and luxurious studios, and unlock fully furnished, elegant spaces. Tackle laundry with an in-house full-size washer and dryer and get a world of entertainment at your fingertips with the in-unit smart TV. Don't fret about finalising a roomie with roommate matching available. Also, feel extra secure with electronic locks. Complete focused study sessions in the study lounge with computers and high-speed Wi-Fi. Grab a late-night snack from the vending machines or hang around in the hammock garden. Power through intense workouts at the fitness centre. Bring your pets and wheels along too. Colorado College and Colorado Technical University are both just a short drive away. Grocery shopping made simple with Safeway, and Trader Joe's just a couple of miles away. Bus stops like UCCS Austin Bluffs and 1837 Austin Bluffs are located nearby for convenience. So, grab your spot at the Lookout, Colorado Springs via amberstudent.com. Now,